Do you want to build backlinks to your affiliate marketing website that actually increase your website's rankings on Google? Would you like to discover the best ways to build backlinks to your site no matter what niche you're in? If so, keep watching, because if you don't build backlinks to your affiliate marketing website, then the truth is 9 times out of 10, you're not going to rank. And this is one of the most important ranking factors for SEO right now. And that's exactly how this video is going to help you. Today, you'll learn 5 easy, actionable ways to build backlinks to your affiliate marketing website that will help you rank higher on Google. And I'm going to include one link building method that 99% of affiliate marketers are not using right now. So when I was trying to get backlinks to my affiliate marketing website, it was so damn hard, because website owners know that if you're in affiliate marketing, you're trying to make money with your site, and therefore no one's going to link to you for free. And not just that, but usually you're in quite a boring niche and no one wants to link to a website about the best air conditioners or the best heaters in 2019 when they know that you're just going to pump out review pages on there. So that's when I started perfecting the 5 link building strategies I'm going to talk about in this video. And since then, I've driven over 400,000 visitors to my website. I've built over 60,000 backlinks, and I generate an income that actually allows me to travel the world and make money online with affiliate marketing, and it all comes down to backlinks. So let's jump in to how I did it. So the first strategy, and this is by far the most scalable way to build links to your site, and that is the skyscraper technique. Now, some affiliate marketers say this doesn't work in 2020. That is bullshit, I can tell you, because I've built so many links recently. Even just this month, I've built tons of links with the skyscraper method. It works particularly well, especially if you make your content very, very good. So you need to make your content as on point as possible, you know, include loads of infographics, loads of pictures, and basically to do this method, all you have to do is look at your competitors, see how they're getting the links, produce a better piece of content than them, and then reach out to everyone who linked to your competitor. And if you do this, I can guarantee you will get tons of links to your site. The skyscraper technique is so effective. And the beauty of the skyscraper technique is that it works in pretty much any single niche, okay? So I've worked with loads of affiliate marketing websites for my own link building agency and also for my personal projects too. So, you know, whether you're in the animals niche or whether you're in relaxation or whatever particular industry you're in, the skyscraper technique will work. Now, if you need some tips on getting started with the skyscraper technique, check out my other video on YouTube that shows you exactly how to find an unlimited number of link building prospects for your skyscraper campaign, and it's very actionable. You can start using it straight away, and I've included the link in this video. But what do you do if someone turns down your offer of building a link with the skyscraper technique? Well, that brings me on to my second strategy, which is guest posting. And this is a tried, tested, and proven way to get backlinks to your site. So the other reason that I recommend guest posting for affiliate marketing is the fact that you can add in links to your money pages, okay? So you can drive traffic to your money pages, you can drive backlinks to your money pages, and therefore they're gonna rank higher. And the thing is as well, when it comes to link building, it's extremely rare to get backlinks straight to your money pages. So that's why guest posting is so powerful. Plus, when you're an affiliate marketing website, you've probably already got a team of writers in place already, so you don't need to write all the content yourself, and therefore guest posting is far more scalable. You can just outsource that work to your team, they can produce a guest post, then you send it over, get the backlink, and it doesn't require much of your time because you've got the team behind you to do most of the work. So all you need to do is outsource your content, sprinkle in a few links to your review pages, and that's pretty much it. Now, would you like a scalable way to get links to your money pages on demand? If so, keep watching, because my next strategy is reciprocal link building, and I've already done a tutorial on how to get reciprocal links on demand to your money pages, and I'll link to that in this video. So how this works is essentially you're going to get backlinks with the skyscraper technique or guest blogging, and then every time you want a link to one of your review pages or to one of your money pages, you can contact the webmaster, say, hey, would you like to work together again? Maybe offer them a share on social media, for example, and then get your link placed to your review page. And if you do this, this is a very powerful way to get links to your money pages. And because it's your personal network, it's exclusive to you, and pretty much no one else can compete with that. So you're basically building up a little army of people who are willing to share your content. Now, at the same time, you have to be very careful with this. You can't make it your main link building strategy, because if you do this in excessive amount, it can go against Google's webmaster guidelines. But if you do reciprocal link building in moderation, you're going to be fine. There's nothing to worry about, and you can get some very powerful backlinks straight to your money pages, which is extremely important. The thing is as well, when it comes to the affiliate marketing industry, everyone's in the same boat. Everyone struggles to get authoritative backlinks to their website. In fact, that's why so many clients hire me as my link building agency. So if you pair up with these affiliate marketers, if you find the people who are willing to work with you, then you can build an awesome network of reciprocal link builders and get some amazing links to your website. But let me ask you a question. How adventurous are you feeling with link building? Because this brings me on to a super unusual way to build backlinks, which I know 99% of affiliate marketers are not doing right now. And it's something called audio link building. Now you might ask, what the hell is audio link building? Well, this is essentially where you reach out to webmasters and you offer to create an audio version of their blog. And then when you record that version and they say, yeah, send it over, you also include a cheeky backlink to either your homepage or your money page or wherever you want that link to go. And if you do this, you can get some awesome backlinks. It's a highly unusual link building technique that makes you stand out from everyone else, and it's worked extremely well for me. In fact, you can check out one of my other videos, which I'll link to, and that shows you exactly how to do the audio link building technique step by step. Now, you might say, hang on, recording audio versions of everyone's blogs, surely that's not scalable. But when you're an affiliate marketer, I know that you have the advantage of being able to hire people online, and you can easily hire someone to record audios for you so that you don't have to do most of the work, and therefore you land the link, you get that recorded, you send it over to the webmaster, and bing bang bosh, you're done. You've got the backlink, you've got the audio link building strategy in place, and it's extremely scalable. So as promised, here's the link building strategy that 99% of affiliate marketers are not using right now, and that is something called video link building. Now, it's very similar to audio link building, but instead of creating an audio version, you're going to create a video version of someone's blog. Now, that might sound like hard work, but you can easily hire a virtual assistant and outsource this task. So you can turn someone's blog into a video in about 2 minutes using Lumen 5 or also Rocketium, and basically all you have to do is reach out to webmasters, you offer to create a video version of their blog, you outsource that to your VA to use Lumen 5 or Rocketium, and then you send the video over with the link back to your website. And if you do this, you're going to stand out from everyone. You're offering a lot more value than, say, the skyscraper technique or even guest blogging, and it will make you stand out so much more than every other affiliate marketer that's trying to get a link. Plus, with this technique, you can easily get links back to your review pages or your money pages, because when it comes to the skyscraper technique, for example, you're only getting links to content pages. But when you use the audio link building method or the video link building method, it's so much easier to get links to your money pages, and that creates much more value for you. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please smash a like on it, and if you haven't already, subscribe so that you don't miss another SEO or link building tutorial from me. And these videos are designed to help you grow your website and get more traffic on Google. So thanks for watching.